Good afternoon. Well, we're in lockdown again, so I thought I'd try and cheer you up by doing some little demonstrations. We are in lockdown, but we can operate behind closed doors. So what I thought I'd do is show you a little sneak preview of some of the Christmas things that we're doing. We're doing this lovely little Hatbox. You can order these. We can take phone orders by phone, or we can take. You can look on the website and order on the website if you prefer to do that. I'm just going to save this piece of green because I don't know whether you can see it. There's a little ladybird on there. So I'm just going to put that to one side and look after that little ladybird. Right, so we're going to start with the nice spruce around the edge of the Hatbox. I've put a little bowl inside so you can water it. We're going to go around the outside with this lovely blue spruce. It smells absolutely beautiful. So my kitchen will smell gorgeous when we're finished. We've got the lovely eucalyptus, which we're going to put around the edge. Again, that smells absolutely beautiful. What I'm trying to use is the shorter bits around the bottom of the eucalyptus there. And I can just smell it on my hands. It just reminds me of all the Christmas and all the lovely holly and nice sore hands when we're doing all the holly. My husband goes mad because when I've been doing all the holly at Christmas, I soak my hands in Dettol every night and then they're nice and fresh for the next day. Right, I'm just going to put this lovely red Naomi rose in the centre. And we're trying to pick the colours of the box up. The other thing is I'm demonstrating these, but they might not be these exact flowers that go in the Hatbox at Christmas, because what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to source the best possible price flowers. So I will be buying what's at a good price on the week, because we just don't know what's going to happen. I don't think the growers are in full swing from the last lockdown, so there might be a little bit of scarcity of flowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm just demonstrating today what I think will be around and what will last really well. So we've got this lovely green Kermit chrysanthemum, got a pink used stone, which is going to pick the pink piping around the box. Got these lovely red carnations. I'm sure those will be around. And I'm trying to choose flowers that are quite long lasting, because of course at Christmas when you're at home you'll have all the heating on. So we need to choose things that are nice and long lasting and will stand the heat. But you must remember with any of these arrangements, always top them up with water daily. Because there's such a lot of flowers in the oasis, it soon dries out, you know, when they're drinking all the water out. So there's a lovely little red chrysanthemum I'm just putting in. Just gently arranging around. So that's the red one, and then we're going to start with a little bit of the green chrysanthemum. And when you push it in, we push them deep into the oasis, just in case when you're watering it, the oasis, you know, you don't water the top of the oasis, so that they're deep into the oasis so they can have a really good drink. So it's beginning to take shape now. I hope you can just see it there. I've got some lovely high Perican berries. Those were just in the garden. I've just been around the garden pinching a few of the holly and the spruce. So don't forget, we are open. You can order online, or it'd be lovely to speak to you. Give us a call. Just be a little bit patient though, because the phone lines have been so busy because we're in lockdown. If we can't just get to the phone right away, we have got a little answering machine on which will say, you know, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So that when we finish one call, we'll give you a call back. I'm going to use these lovely, I'm sure these will be around, the lovely green cymbidiums. What I've done, I just put them in a little water vial, and I'm just going to bob those in. As you can see, it's picking up the green of the chrysanthemums, and it's picking up, I've got like a lovely reddy colour in the centre of there. So like I say, we're going to do like these Hatboxes, reddy sort of colours, but the flowers may vary. It just depends what I can get hold of that's a good price and good value for money for you as well. So you get a lovely array of flowers. So I've just put the little orchids around, as you can see. Now I'm just going to put a bit of the pink such unusual colours these together, but I absolutely love them. I think they're really like rich, and that's just bringing that lovely pink piping that's around the Hatbox. Again, and I like to use the buds as well. I use every bit of the flower. So they will be going on the website, so you can order from there or give us a quick call. Again, we're not sure what we can get hold of. We're hoping we're only locked down to the 2nd of December, but there is talk that it might be another 2 weeks. So don't panic. You don't have to go out shopping. Just ring us and we'll do it all for you. And also we're licensed, so we can send wine, sparkling wine, Prosecco, champagne. So, you know, we can do the whole shopping trip for you. We also do balloons. Merry Christmas balloons. So as you can see, it's just taking shape now. Now I'm going to put some of the lovely prickly holly in. This is really, really sharp. I'm just going to clean the bottom stems off so it's got a really nice clean stem to go into the oasis. If you left all those on, it'd obviously crumble all the oasis. So I'm just going to pop that in. Oh, my ladybird's moved now. It's now on my holly, so I'll perhaps leave that piece of holly now. I think they're coming inside now. Well, it's coming inside because I've brought it inside. Not sure what they do in the winter, whether they hibernate or what they're doing. So this is lovely, this holly. I'm really lucky because we grow a lot of holly on the farm. We live on a farm. And I've got people who actually donate me holly, which is absolutely brilliant. A lady last year brought me great big bagfuls, and I just donated to her charity, you know, for the holly. See how pretty that's looking now. Really unusual colours as well. You must have thought about putting those colours together. And then I'm just going to add some little shiny little baubles in there. I've just wired those, and they'll just nestle in between the flowers. Oops, I don't want to go in. And these lovely shiny ones. Can you see how they're picking all the colours of the flowers? So I hope you've enjoyed that. We'll be making hundreds of these. Well, I hope we'll be making hundreds of them. Never know with all this lockdown what they'll allow us to do, but I think we will. We do a contactless delivery, so we ring the doorbell, leave them on the doorstep and step away so everybody's absolutely safe. So there we go. So that's our first little Christmas arrangement in the lovely little Hatbox.